landing attempt 2. Gonna hit a couple jumps in a row. Go! Do it now! Gonna hit this jump into this berm, down to another jump. Here we go. Nice. Second jump. Oh! Oh! Let's go check if he's okay.
Oh, I got locked. Oh.
Any broken bones?
Maybe a broken chin.
Glasses?
Wow.
Dirt? You're bleeding?
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh. Shoulders hurting. Yeah.
Glasses? Bike? Let's see where he went off. Do a replay.
Oh. Killer.
Jump? Bike? Glasses? Result.
Woo. Get some blood here.
Ooh. Ooh. Actually, turn towards the light.
Let's get it.
Nice. Ugly. Can't get much
Bloody
uglier.
mess.
Can't get much uglier.
Stitches?
No.